absolutely out of this world.
Wrong. I don't taste chili crab.
I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like it too. This is something. Hey guys, welcome back. It's another episode of Food Review. Oh, sorry, I thought she wanted to like high five. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Food Review with Squeeze Plays. I'm Amanda and this is Nerys.
Today we are back at our studio and we are going to be trying 5 new food finds.
Some of these new releases are pretty unique, so stay tuned to find out for more.
What is it?
What's this? Okay, so this
This is
Chi Chong Fan Lasagna.
look like regular lasagna lah from
Correct.
here, I would say.
Ooh, cheesy.
I mean, just give me a moment.
So it is it's like rolled up Chi Chong Fan. The taste is nice for me, but the texture is a bit too gooey for me.
Actually, for me, I don't really mind it, but I don't think I can finish this entire thing.
It gets
because
gelat, right?
it's all just like cheese, and then the rice cake. It doesn't really have much taste on its own. It's not bad, but yeah, I wouldn't finish the whole thing.
Right. Moving on. Next,
What is?
Din Tai
Fung.
Oh, okay.
That
So
was like a lot of different tones at once. This doesn't look like bao. Oh, but it feels like bao.
apparently they released a new Kat Bao.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, it's
Wait, so the
gooey.
inside is Kit Kat like melted Kit Kat
I think it's melted Kit Kat.
Can taste wafer bits inside
Thin
but
crispy.
it doesn't really taste like Kit Kat to me.
I think this tastes more like Ferrero Rocher. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad.
It's still okay for me, but I think max for me, I eat one only. Pretty interesting, I think, from Din Tai Fung. I don't think I've seen them come out with something like trendy like that.
All right, next.
What's next? The box looks nice. Ooh,
Pretzel Planet. Have you heard of this brand?
the packaging is absolutely out of this world. So this is the Mentaiko pretzel, and this is the
S'mores. So we got one savory and one sweet.
I got something funny to share.
What?
Last time I used to work at a cafe where we sell like s'mores waffle. Then the funniest pronunciation I ever heard when people came to order was, "Can I have a s'mores?"
Oh, is it because s'mores have like the apostrophe?
Yeah. Why is it very bad? I don't know if it's very bad to say.
I don't think you'll like it.
It feels like you are just dipping dough into Mentaiko.
After a while, right, it tastes like those pork floss, chicken floss bun.
Oh yeah. Okay, I think it would be better if they add some floss on top. Okay, let's try the s'mores. Maybe the dessert one will be a lot better.
It's marshmallows and then like chocolate drizzle, and I think the bits are.
Biscoff. Cheers. Yes, this one better. The marshmallow fluff is like very smooth.
Yes, and gooey.
I think they torched it, so there's a bit of like the burnt parts on top. This is much better. Also, to be fair, right, we are eating this like cold.
The pretzel taste is stronger here. We can definitely taste it's pretzel, not
Yeah.
just normal bread.
Yes.
So yes, this is also my favorite.
They had like the basic flavors also,
Correct.
right? Go check them out.
Next,
Okay, next.
I saw this when it came in, so it's very exciting. Don't throw this one, don't throw this one.
It says
Crolo.
Crolo. Oh, so
Crolo.
it's Crolo by Sui Heng.
So it's apparently a croissant roll.
Oh my god, what is this inception here? It's like a cake in a croissant.
It is red velvet.
Excuse me, that's cups on cups.
I think you need to run 10 miles after this. So the flavors that we got for this one, so we got prawn mentaiko, snow crab, Korean chicken, and chili crab.
Looks
Shall
good,
we?
eh? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna eat the snow crab one.
Mentaiko prawn.
I don't like What I don't like, right, is the sauce.
It's a Mentaiko sauce. This one also has Mentaiko sauce.
This Mentaiko doesn't taste like savory and mayo-y to me. It tastes like a little sweet, but the croissant is good. Just to confirm.
This one is Korean fried chicken.
Okay.
And I'm gonna taste this one. Chili crab.
Now we're talking. There's a little bit of spice to this. I think it's on the chicken itself. Honestly, it tastes like Korean fried chicken would taste if you put it on a croissant. So it's good. So how's this?
It's not my favorite thing. I don't taste chili crab. Like if you blindfold me and you never tell me what I'm tasting, I will never taste chili crab.
I don't like it.
I don't like it too.
I feel like the star of this Crolo place will be the dessert versions.
But honestly, their price point for like these croissants, right, are not that high.
Oh, how much is one?
How much is it?
Oh.
It's about $3-4 for one.
Okay lah.
So it's like, yeah lor, something you could get in the bakery, that kind of thing. It's an alternative. So now onto the sweet croissant flavors. This is red velvet and Milo dinosaur. We go for the red velvet first. It's the first thing that caught our eye anyways. It's not bad.
Try also.
It's not bad, it's not bad. The cream is a bit tangy as well.
Okay, I don't hate it, but it tastes exactly like how it looks like a red velvet cake and a croissant. Okay, let's try the
final one. You know what, I'm just gonna bite, okay?
yeah, just bite. Nice not? Nice not? But that means what?
You know those like Milo cans and tins, right? That you left the lid open for days and then it suddenly clumps together.
I think it's like the, you know that time Milo had this cute candy thing?
Man, this is so hard. This is so tough because like I like croissant and they nailed the croissant part. I see what they're doing. I can see what they want to do, but like, does it translate? That's a question. Because it's not bad. It's not bad, but it's just not delivering.
Okay,
so it's
yeah, like the highlight is the croissant itself.
yes. But it's also priced nicely, so it's up to your decision. For me, will I get this again? I will say no. So it's a thumbs up for me.
Me too.
Right, next. Alright, our final thing for the day.
Ooh, we get
Pizza
one each.
Hut.
Or is it
Yes.
different flavor?
It is the same flavor. It is Assam Laksa. We got prawns and chicken. Assam Laksa is one of my favorite dishes.
Cause
But I've never seen
I've never
prawns
eaten
or
Assam
chicken.
laksa before.
It's usually
from
fish.
Huh? Really?
Assam Laksa is fish.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I accidentally squeezed a bit too much lime on this one, so I'm gonna pat it.
Look, inside.
Not bad leh.
This does not taste like Assam Laksa to me. This is laksa.
The chicken chunks are nice. It's like very tender, like Thai meat. A bit like the chicken chunks on the chicken supreme.
This doesn't taste bad, but
Yeah, it doesn't taste bad.
it's not Assam Laksa. It does have those like savory spices kind of thing going on, like either rendang or actual laksa. Below average, below
so much easier.
average, but it's not bad. Yeah, okay, so it's good, but not Assam Laksa. I mean, it's okay.
Okay, so we are done for today. What is your favorite and what do you not like?
I might eat the lasagna though, again.
So
I
is
might.
the lasagna your favorite?
Not to say favorite lah, but if I had to choose one, that's one of the not bad, okay, I can eat again kind of situation.
For my favorite, I would say the s'mores pretzel was pretty good also. Especially if it's fresh, I think it's gonna be good.
Yeah. But these are all unique flavors, so you can obviously try them at your own discretion, I guess.
Yeah, and of course it's subjective lah. So whatever is nice to us might not be nice
Nice
to
for
you.
yes, or
Whatever
the
is
other
not
way
nice to
around.
us, maybe you find it very delicious. So
Yes. You can try this all. We'll put the links to the items below, so make sure you check them out if you want to get them.
okay, so that's it for this video.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe, leave your comments down below where you want us to go next. The previous video I say Australia, right, or something like that. Nobody comment, nobody say anything.
Yes, please send us to Australia. Maybe we'll find more interesting food there. Have you had kangaroo and crocodile? Alright, see you!
I just heard that. I was like stoning, then after at the end I was like, kangaroo and
Crocodile. Yeah. I wonder what those taste like. I mean, I wanted to try the crocodile penis.
鸡蛋糕